Welcome to Lunar Fashion and Beauty, where we explore the latest trends, tips, and tricks in the world of fashion and beauty. Today, we are diving into the sophisticated and timeless allure of elegant black spring nails. As the season of renewal and fresh beginnings, spring is often associated with pastel hues and vibrant florals. However, there is something uniquely captivating about the contrast and elegance of black nails, especially when combined with the light, airy vibe of spring. In this video, we will show you how to achieve stunning black nail art designs that are perfect for the season, from classic looks to creative, intricate designs. Black nails are often seen as bold and edgy, but with the right approach, they can also be incredibly chic and sophisticated. The elegance of black nails lies in their versatility and the dramatic statement they make. When executed correctly, black nail designs can be the perfect accessory to any outfit, adding a touch of mystery and refinement. In this video, we will guide you through various techniques and styles to elevate your spring manicure game. Before we dive into the designs, it's crucial to prepare your nails properly. Start by removing any old polish and giving your nails a good clean. Trim and shape them to your desired length, whether you prefer short and neat or long and glamorous. Use a nail file to smooth out any rough edges and a buffer to create a smooth surface for your polish. Next, soak your hands in warm soapy water for a few minutes to soften the cuticles. Gently push back the cuticles using a cuticle pusher and trim any excess of it necessary. This step ensures that your nail have a clean, neat appearance, which is essential for any elegant nail design. Applying a base coat is an essential step that many people overlook. A good base coat helps to protect your nails from staining and creates a smooth surface for the polish to adhere to. It also extends the longevity of your manicure, ensuring that beautiful black nail stayed flawless for longer. Apply a thin layer of base coat to each nail and allow it to dry completely before moving on to the next step. For a timeless and elegant look, a simple black manicure is unbeatable. Choose a high quality black nail polish with a glossy finish. Apply the first thin coat starting from the center of the nail and working your way to the edges. Allow this layer to dry completely before applying a second coat. This method ensures an even stick free application. To add a touch of sophistication, consider using a matte top coat instead of a glossy one. Matte black nails exude a subtle, understated elegance that is perfect for any occasion. Finish off with a top coat to seal the color and extra add durability to your manicure. Black and gold is a classic color combination that screams luxury and elegance. For a spring twist, incorporate delicate gold accents into your black nails. One idea is to create a gold gradient effect. Start with a black base and use a makeup sponge to dab gold polish onto the tips of your nails, gradually fading it towards the middle. This creates a stunning ombre effect that is both eye-catching and sophisticated. Another elegant design is to use gold foil or glitter. Apply your black base coat, and while it's still tacky, carefully place small pieces of gold foil onto your nails. Alternatively, you can apply a gold glitter top coat for a more subtle sparkle. Both of these designs add a touch of glamour to your spring manicure, making your nails look like tiny works of art. Spring is synonymous with flowers, and incorporating floral designs into your black nails can create a beautiful contrast. One way to achieve this is through stamping. Nail stamping kits are widely available and come with various floral patterns. Apply your black base coat, and once it's dry, use white or pastel colored polish to stamp floral designs onto your nails. This method is quick, easy, and perfect for achieving intricate patterns without a lot of effort. If you prefer freehand designs, use a thin nail art brush to paint delicate flowers on your black nails. White, pink, and lavender flowers can create a lovely springtime look against the black background. Finish with a glossy top coat to protect your artwork and add shine. Geometric designs are another way to add a modern twist to your elegant black nails. Start with a black base coat and use nail tape to create clean, sharp lines. You can create various patterns such as chevrons, triangles, or stripes. Fill in the section with contrasting color like white, nude, or metallic shades for a chic, sophisticated look. Once the polish is dry, carefully remove the tape and seal your design with the top coat. Another trendy geometric design is a negative space manicure. Apply your black polish, leaving sections of your nail unpainted to create geometric shapes. This minimalist approach is both modern and elegant, making it a perfect choice for spring. Lace is the epitome of elegance and femininity, and incorporating lace designs into your black nails can elevate them to a whole new level. You can achieve a lace effect using a stamping plates with intricate lace patterns or by using lace nail stickers. Apply a black base coat, then carefully place the lace design on top. Finish with a clear top coat to seal the design for a more intricate look. Try hand painting lace designs using a fine nail art brush. This method allows for more customization and can be tailored to match your outfit or mood. Whether you opt for white lace or black lace on a nude base, the result is sure to be stunning and elegant. Thank you so much for joining the Fashion Luna and Beauty. Until next time, stay stylish, stay fabulous. Bye for now.